Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. All right, so I guess I'm putting this video out for the title of this video is how do you get the windows to go up and down on 2010 Prius. I think it's self-explanatory, but I put up videos that I thought were self-explanatory videos, and amazingly those are videos that got them, that got a lot of views. Sometimes I'm surprised at that, but I guess I'm just gonna put that out there anyway, considering it seems like this is anti-intuitive. I guess that's the word for it, anti-intuitive. But if you guys don't know how to operate the windows on your car, listen, I'm gonna put this video up and I'm gonna check to see how many views I get within 6 months to a year, and I would be amazed if I don't get a large amount of views for this, because I put videos out on how to change the time, and I don't know, maybe I did put up a video on how to change the time on here, but let me see. All right, this video is probably an experiment, because sometimes I'm putting up these videos, I'm like, isn't this just anti-intuitive? Because it's obvious, right? Your switches are on each side of, and each side of your door, and it's pretty obvious, but I'm gonna do it anyway, guys. Don't give me don't give me negative comments on this, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So these are your buttons, up and down buttons. You heard that going up and down. This is for the left side, this is for the right side, this is for the back, this is for the back passenger and back drivers, back rear windows. Do you guys have issues with your windows going up and down? It could be a bunch of issues, but I guess I'm going to put up a bonus, issues with your windows. This is going to be a bonus too with how to use your power windows. But if you guys have issues with your windows not being able to go up and down, particularly on the other windows, not the driver's side, this is the locking window. This is the locking switch. This is the locking button to lock your window, so that if you have smaller kids, they can't accidentally push it and it goes down, and I don't know where you have an accident and stuff like that. But that's the power button. That's the button to cancel the ability to open the windows on the other sides. I don't think it does that for the driver's side, but anyway, on top of that, let me just go in on, if you guys have issues with your windows being able to go up and down, you guys want to, particularly on the other windows, you want to make sure that this is up. If it's depressed, then it means that you're not going to be able to open the windows on the other doors. But it's either A, you got to switch this part out, not the hardest thing to do, or your windows have the motor that runs your window up and down have issues. All right, guys. So I hope this has helped you guys out. Hey, if you guys have any of your own personal experiences with this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. All that good stuff. All right, guys. Take care.